Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Supreme Fusion 24. Now the 24 stands for a 2.4 cubic foot firebox. The Fusion model is going to be an insert for a masonry application. Therefore, you must have a full brick fireplace and chimney from top to bottom to be able to install a masonry insert. This is going to be a EPA approved high efficiency insert model, which means it is required to be connected to a stainless steel liner kit. You cannot just pop this into your fireplace and have the heat go straight up the chimney. It will not operate efficiently. So I'm going to show you guys inside. The Fusion series is going to have a stainless steel firebox panel. Now they put the stainless steel firebox in there because number one, it heats up really quick. So you're gonna start radiating heat within like 10 minutes or less of actually starting your fire, which is super nice. And so it's also super durable. You're not gonna have any issues with breaking it, cracking it, or anything like that like you would have with standard fire brick. It is going to take a 6-inch liner kit. It does have a fully gasketed door. Your damper controls are going to be located here at the top of the firebox. And actually, I should also mention, all of the Supreme units now have a top baffle with air holes in them. So they no longer have like those old style air tubes. This is super nice because you have an unobstructed viewing area of the fire. Number one, you don't have pesky air tubes to have to deal with cleaning, or also sometimes you can see them and it visually, you know, kind of ruins the look of especially a contemporary style insert like this. So yeah, Supreme does an excellent job with their air wash design, with their high efficiency unit. The glass burns nice and clean. Again, very contemporary clean face units. This is going to be shown with the stainless steel panels. So these are the ones that are going to heat up super quick. They reflect the heat, radiate the heat a lot quicker than the cast iron panels do. Again, same kind of baffle system located at the top with the air tubes, which are going to give us that secondary burn. And then the standard steel firebox bottom. This is going to be your adapter to connect into your masonry liner. 2 damper controls located at the top. Primary, low, high. This is going to be your air wash here. Pushed in, closed. Pulled out is going to be open. Here is going to be the door. You can see all the Supreme products have a nice thick gasket on their firebox door. And this is just such a nice, large viewing area. Check that out. This unit is going to be manufactured up in Canada, so our North American friends, and it is made by a family-owned business, which I very much appreciate. They're excellent to work with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this product overview today. If you guys like these videos, please give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.